Hello everyone! In today's video, you will see how you can style a big silk scarf. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel, How to Tie a Scarf. And now, let's tie our scarf. My scarf size is 53 by 53 inches. It's a very good quality silk. The base fold for all three styles is accordion. You can fold it like me, or it can be easier to do it on the table. I like to fix both ends with scrunchies. We will take it off after you tie your scarf. For the first style, tie your scarf around the neck, with one end much shorter than the other. Now, take the large end and wrap it again, like this. Take off the scrunchies. By the way, if you like scarves, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. It looks so elegant. For the second style, tie a knot on one end of your scarf. Take the second end and pass it through the knot, like this. Don't forget to take off the scrunchies. By the way, if you like my scarf, I will leave a link to it in the description. Et voila! You have this voluminous half bow. The third style is the easiest one. Just tie your scarf around the neck with a double knot. One end is much shorter. Switch it on one side. By the way, I have another video with more styles for this type of scarf, and I will link it at the end and in the description. Et voila! Which style do you like most? If you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!